A chemist has 36 ounces of a 35% acid solution. How much water should be added to reduce the strength of the acid to 30%? It's always helpful to start by labeling what you don't know. The variable X is the amount of water. Next, we can either set up a table or use pictures to help us create the equation. I personally like to use pictures. It helps me see what's happening. We initially have a container that has 36 ounces of a 35% acid solution in it. And we're going to add to that container an unknown amount of water. That water, we're assuming, does not have any acid in it, so we'll say 0%. Then the resulting container will have 36 plus X ounces in it. And then we want the result to be 30%. Now we can create the equation. And to do that, we will simply multiply down on what we have. (36) times 0.35 plus, again, multiply down, X times 0 equals, again, multiply down, 36 plus X times 0.3. Now to clean this up, 36 times 0.35, we get 12.6 plus 0 equals 36 times 0.3 is 10.8, and then plus 0.3x. We can subtract 10.8 on both sides, and that will give us 1.8 equals 0.3x. Divide by 0.3, and we get that x is equal to 6. So our answer, 6 ounces of water. How many cups of a 15% OJ solution must be mixed with a 30% OJ solution to generate 10 cups of a 25% OJ solution? So X, our unknown, is the amount of the 15% solution. So next we'll use pictures to help us set this up. We have an initial container. We're adding to that container to get a result. We know that that result needs to be 10 cups, and we want it to be 25% OJ solution. We don't know the amount that we're adding, but we know that it needs to be 15%. To get the original amount, we have 10 minus whatever we added to the original. That means the original volume must be 10 minus X. And we know that the initial percentage for the original container is 30%. To set up our equation, we will multiply down. 10 minus X times 0.3 plus X times 0.15. And that's equal to 10 times 0.25. Simplifying, we get 3 minus 0.3x plus 0.15x equals 2.5. Combine like terms on the left. We have 3 minus 0.15x equals 2.5. Subtract 3 on both sides. And finally, divide by negative 0.15 on both sides. We get x is 3.3, repeating. That means we can write that as 3 1/3 cups of the 15% solution.